ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Yeah! She knows your game. She's your cousin, Grace.
You know,
Wow!
he's undecided.
Yeah, she is a good cousin. I just told her now that you like that much. I didn't realize at first.
Trying to think.
Do you want to play again, Sarah?
No.
Yeah, you do. Come on. Let's play again. Ring around the rosies, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Hey, Gracie, don't make her. No, 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 no.
It's okay.
You be nice.
Yeah, she don't want to play right now.
Come here, Gracie. Come here. Mommy will play. Come here. I'll play. Ready? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. We go like this, don't we?
He gets very frustrated.
I know. I'm joking.